What if you're not unproductive? You're just making the same mistakes every single day. Small mistakes that slowly destroy your progress. You don't fail overnight. You fail quietly, through habits, through distractions, through things you don't even notice. And the worst part, you think it's normal. 1. Starting your day without a plan. No direction, no results. 2. Checking your phone. First thing you give your focus away. 3. Multitasking. You're not doing more, you're doing worse. 4. Avoiding difficult tasks. Comfort kills growth. 5. No clear priorities. Everything feels important, so nothing gets done. 6. Constant distractions. Focus is your superpower, and you're losing it. 7. Overthinking everything. Thinking without action is just delay. 8. Not taking breaks. Burnout destroys consistency. 9. Lack of discipline. The motivation fades, discipline stays. 10. Repeating the same day, same habits, same life. These mistakes don't look dangerous, but they are, because they steal your time, your energy, your potential, and one day, you wake up realizing nothing changed. So fix them, one by one. Because success isn't about doing more, it's about doing better. And it starts today.